Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will delve into the SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of March 2025, our system has classified SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.21. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has faced a loss of -2.01%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.01% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases ahead. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 5.48% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from -7.28% to +1.58%. When examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 16.96%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary between 16.90% and 31.04% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price estimated to be between $649.59 and $728.12. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF price down 2.01% on Friday. The SPY ETF price fell by 2.01% on the last trading day, Friday the 28th of March 2025, dropping from $567.08 to $555.66. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.02% with a low of $555.04 and a high of $566.27. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.27% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 21 million shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 62 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $34.69 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price was $493.86. Currently, the price is 9.39%, or $57.57, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Today, the S&P 500 closed near its session low, reflecting ongoing market volatility, largely driven by concerns about rising tariffs and inflation. The Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index fell to 57, signaling weakened consumer confidence amidst increasing inflation expectations, now at 5%. This decline could indicate potential challenges for consumer spending, which is critical for economic growth. Additionally, the technology and consumer sectors are feeling the pressure from core personal consumption expenditures data and looming tariffs, further weighing on market sentiment. Analysts are highlighting key support levels for the S&P 500, levels that are crucial for both bullish and bearish strategies in the coming days. The current environment compels investors to reassess their positions, given the uncertainty posed by these economic indicators and policy decisions. In the short term, if the S&P 500 fails to hold critical support levels, we could see a continued downward trend impacting the SPY exchange-traded fund significantly. In the long term, persistent volatility and external economic pressures like tariffs may lead to a reevaluation of growth projections, affecting investor confidence. Overall, the interplay between inflation, consumer sentiment, and tariffs will be key in determining SPY's trajectory in the upcoming weeks. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and thus far it has risen approximately 0.769%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The SPY ETF is currently experiencing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the ETF. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $567.18 and $582.32. A breakout above any of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $551.42. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction could be expected when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund displays very controlled movements and, with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $11.23 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.02%. During the last week, the ETF averaged daily volatility of 1.2%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $555.92. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $551.42. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? The SPY ETF displays several negative signals and is currently within a downward trend, suggesting it may continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we anticipate that SPY will open higher by $3.33, beginning trading at $558.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.